Lee says thoughts on cold smoking. I assume this is combining it with the sous vide process. I haven't done any real cold smoking with sous vide. I've used the smoking gun some, which is it's different than it doesn't really contribute as much smoke as real cold smoking would do. But I have used the smoking gun for I did some sous vide scallops. I did them for I think about 45 minutes at 130 degrees, and then chilled them, and then smoked them with the polyscience smoking gun, and sliced them thin and served them in a salad, and that worked really well and picked up some real good smoke aroma. But if you have a more of a heavy duty cold smoking system, I think that would work really well, and that's a good way. As I was saying about the other types of smoking, that's a good way to ensure that the temperature is not going to get above where you're going to cook it sous vide. So you can cold smoke it for as long as you want, and then sous vide it and have a really good smoke flavor with it.